Turkey is a country that can be experienced through its flavors and even its historical monuments. But what if I told you that it is possible to experience the amazing culture of Turkey also through its arts? In this video, I'll take you through an amazing experience in Istanbul where I'll try to create my own Turkish style with the help of professionals in the field.
This is Sıddık. I am a member of the family. This is a family company since 1759 doing this business. Our hometown in Iznik, everything is produced there, but in Istanbul here we make the classroom. Here we give the education to university students, art students and high school. And who wants to take the workshop class, they can take the workshop class here. We give the education, shaping, and painting process. Who want to visit our shops and want to watch how to make the pottery, we show them all process and we explain about our material, about our process. And our main work is called the Iznik art. If you visited historical build of the Istanbul, inside you can see the many tiles. They are all made in between 14th to 17th century in Iznik town. That's why we call the Iznik art. And we produce the exactly same quality of the Iznik art, not design, not style. Especially of the Iznik art, material and temperature. Material of the Iznik art, 85% quartz stone powder. You can see here. Quartz stone, we crushed it, make the powder. And we added 15% kaolin. These two together mixed with water became a clay. After 3 months fermented, we start to use that clay for shaping. After shape it, going to dry room, and after dry, going to bake. Roughly 12 hours, 1250 centigrade degrees. Draw design by thin brush, one by one, and then paint color. And after painted, dip the glaze, and then second fire. 1350 centigrade degrees, roughly 13 hours. Then in final art we get like this.
So we are finally here at the workshop and I will try to show you how is it done, this beautiful art from scratch. At first we're going to try to do some pottery, which I have no idea about how to do it, but of course I will have a professional helping me doing it, and later on we will try to paint my own tile as well. So let's go see it. And I have just put these pants because this will protect me from the quartz, from the material. So I'm ready to start. So here is our other baby, our other creation. It was super relaxing doing this. It's not easy, it's difficult, but it's so enjoyable. Of course here the master, he was helping us a lot, and thanks to him we were able to understand and get this beautiful shape. So after this you can just do the design, you can paint them and everything, but this is how you make them from scratch basically. Our teacher is teaching us how to properly paint these ones, and she says, for example, when it comes to these type of colors like red, it needs even 2 or 3 layers so it will look even. She's doing it very good. So for example, for these ones they will give you already all the designs ready for you, so you don't have to take longer, or if you already have experience you can also paint them. In my case, since I don't know how to draw, they already gave me this ready one, And it's so relaxing, really, like this one for stress and everything. I think it's a perfect hobby. For this one, if you want to take care of your pulsation, because for example I'm shaking a lot, just put one finger out to support your hand and just go slowly, slowly. Now I understood the technique. I'm already in the last stage of finishing this tile. It took me maybe like 40 minutes because I don't know, I like to do it slowly, and I like to do it the best as I can. But I'm not even feeling the time because, as I said, this is so relaxing. This is really interesting to do. So I'm about to finish. If you want also, you can put your signature anywhere you want, because this one you created it, so you can be an artist for a day. So I will put my name. So this experience was amazing, especially if you're someone who likes to go deeper into the culture of the new destination you're visiting, like for example Turkey. Definitely this is one experience that you should try. In total it lasts about 2 hours, and either you can create your own design, but also if you don't want to create it and save more time, or maybe you're like me that you are not very experienced at drawing, also they already give you some pre-made ones like this one, and you can only color it. So this is mine. This is the finished version already. So as you can see here, still it needs to dry up a little bit, but in a few hours it will be perfect already. I really loved it. And if you want to book this amazing experience, we will recommend you to do it through Reminder Tour, and for that we are going to leave the link in the description box and pinned comments. And the best part of this experience as well is that you're not just doing it. Also, this is a great souvenir because you'll be able to take this one back home with you. So you will do it, you will paint it, you will create it, and then you'll be able to take it home with you. So what better souvenir from Turkey than this? So we are here at home and I'm so ready to put my little souvenir here at home. So you already saw the results, and of course I want to put it just right here. As you could see, there are so many ways how you can enjoy Istanbul and learn a little bit more about the culture and their beautiful arts, like this one. If you liked the video and found it interesting, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this about Istanbul and in general Turkey every week. See you next time. Bye bye.